He got painted. They done west. You're tuned in to Don't Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team. You hear me?
If you in a 7-1, boy, make that bitch run. If you in a 7-2, make it do what it do. If you in a 7-3, see it slide like a G. If you...
What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on? What's going on, fam? What's going on? Another day above ground equals a beautiful day, like I always say. So if it's a beautiful day, why not go out and chase your goals? Why not go out and chase your dreams? Why not go out and work on yourself? You hear me? It's a beautiful day to get out there and boss up and chase your dreams, man. See them skies? It's a beautiful day to get up and boss up and chase your dreams, man. It's a beautiful day, man. Get out there and get it, fam. It's not gonna fall in your lap. Get out there, put in your work. Don't expect anybody to give you anything. You feel me? Don't nobody owe you nothing. You gotta get out there and get it yourself. You feel me? Real talk, real talk, real talk. But what's good though, fam? Hope everybody out there having a great day. I know I am. You feel me? Shout out to all y'all that's tuned in right now. You feel me? We down south today, man. Home base as we call it. And the boys is putting in their work. And we about to check out what's going on. Like I said, I appreciate y'all that's tuned in. If you're new to the channel, watch the full video. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all, and turn on them post notifications so you do not miss the content that we post, because we do post content often. And the content we post be fire, you hear me? And on top of that, we doing a don't giveaway. That's right, a don't giveaway. We giving away a 1973 two-door hardtop, very solid starter don't. Like I said starter don't, you feel me? So people out there don't get it twisted. Starter don't meaning whoever out there from the DPF that win the don't has to build it to their liking. They gotta put their imagination to use, you feel me? Pick your color, pick your interior, pick your wheels or whatever you wanna do, you feel me? Build it to your liking, you feel me? It's a starter don't, but it's a very solid starter don't. Solid floor, solid trunk pan, solid quarter, solid everything. It's a very solid car, you feel me? I would love to win it, but I'm disqualified. But anyway, we giving it away once we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. How do you enter? Basically, you gotta subscribe to Don't Planet YouTube channel. You gotta click the notification bell, select all, and turn on the post notifications. The reason the post notifications must be turned on is because part of the requirements is watching and commenting on videos on Don't Planet YouTube channel. You feel me? So your notifications must be turned on in order to get the notification when we post videos so you can go watch and comment on them. You feel me? Also, you gotta spread the word and tell everybody you know that like don'ts about the Don't Planet Don't giveaway, and tell them to subscribe for their chances to win. You feel me? We got the roach coat just pulled up, man. It's lunchtime. You feel me? But I don't eat from the roach coach though. I don't know why they call it the roach coach, but roach coach just pulled up. But yeah, man, we giving away that don't. You feel me? Y'all got the requirements. You feel me? I wish somebody gave me the opportunity to win it, don't you feel me? But yeah, that's what we got going on right now. So we homeboy tripping, man. But anyway, we about to go in the shop and see what's going down. Oh yeah, the Patreon. There's a link in the description of this video that'll take you to Don't Planet Patreon account. You feel me? Where you could become a DPF patron. You feel me? And support Don't Planet on another level. You feel me? It's not for everybody. If you don't want to do it, it's all good. You feel me? It's just to support Don't Planet on another level if you can. You feel me? If not, it's cool. It's a link in the description of this video. Just check it out. You feel me? And that's what, and it is what it is. Other than that, man, let's get in the shop. Let's see what's going on. All right, fam, we here, man. Hey, I had to wait. This compressor loud as can be, boy. I had to wait about 5 minutes to wait till the compressor to go off so I could come in here and show you guys the continuation of the floor getting put in that 73 vert. Let's go over here, let's check this out. Matter of fact, they done did more. They done even took out the what they call it? The firewall. They did a flat firewall. Look at the firewall. Flat firewall. Way over here. You You just put the floor in. It's not welded down yet. This is major work right here, major surgery. Not every shop is doing this type of work. Not every shop is accepting this type of work either. This is no easy task, man. It ain't no 1, 2, 3 type job. You just put it, just lay it in here. You feel me? Measure it up or whatever before you weld it. Make sure everything fits just right, and then go to welding it. Just something about these donks, man. Some people wonder why people, or why do us, people that like donks, would go through a headache for a car. You feel me? It's just part of the culture, man. We just love these cars, man. The donk culture, man. It's something, man, out of this world. You feel me? It's just out of this world, man. There's nothing, especially in Miami. There's nothing like having a donk, man. It's a part of Miami. Hey, what? Where's Pierre? Pierre. Hey, Sue, do you see Pierre out there somewhere? Is Pierre out there somewhere? Yeah. Where? You see him or no? He's right here. Call him for me. See, this piece right here is for the rest that you see over there. Major.
Sí, el otro lado. Comerlo con pizza, conmigo, No tengo.
Papo, mucho trabajo.
Yo, it's okay.
Huh? You like it?
Me gusta, claro, esto es bueno.
Mucho trabajo.
Yeah.
Donde, man, my Spanish not that good, man. Donde, where you learn how to do this work?
Oh, in Cuba.
In Cuba.
All the cars in Cuba is all country.
Yeah.
All country.
So you learn from Cuba?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Let's see. Work good. Good work.
Yeah, I love this. I love this work. It's important.
It's important?
Yeah.
How far go there? You need to blow something off? You say you gotta blow something? Alright. I want you to explain something. On that side. On that side. Yeah. You gotta talk a little loud though. Only just translate. I was asking him how long he been doing this. No, how long he been doing body work?
20 years.
20 years.
Yeah, 10 in Cuba. 10
10
in
in Cuba and 10 here.
Cuba, 10 here.
Okay, okay. Cool. So now that he laid the floor in here, what's next?
Gotta clean it up. Clean it up a little bit more. Grind it down. Maybe make a couple of balls. Make balls. Clean it up so he can do a nice little weld on it.
Yeah.
Whatever that needs to be done. Line it up a little more where it's supposed to go around. Just a little detail. All that needs to be done before you start welding.
Okay.
Fine little.
Yeah.
All the way around.
And this piece right here is for up front, right?
Yeah, you cut and you put only the, not destroy everything.
Okay.
Only the part.
Okay, yeah, the part that's here, yeah. Okay. This is major work, man.
So, it takes a couple days. I need to cut down.
Also of that, you see,
The rough.
the cut,
Yeah.
I'm putting new.
Yeah.
And then you work. After finish,
Steam it up after you're done grind it a little bit.
Yeah.
Put a nice bead of steam in it. That's where you make it waterproof.
Yeah.
no time, everything.
Everything?
One week,
What?
Take a week or 2 weeks.
You do this? Nice.
You gotta clean these other ones.
you need to clean the hot part.
Yeah.
And that is with no interior.
No interior.
With no interior.
If there's no interior.
It has interior.
It'll take time to take that out. Yeah.
Take all the panels out, do all the wiring.
The most important is clean everything. Put and welding primer inside. You see? I clean the corner inside. And put one primer, I put a little primer, paint it, black paint it, a little. I welding, everything is it's okay.
Yeah.
For maybe 100 years.
For 100 years?
Yeah. By that time we are.
Y'all see it, fam. Major work going down, man. Can't wait to see what it look like when it's done. Y'all see what's going down, man. Them boys putting in that work. You feel me? Major work, man. Major work. Like I was saying, some people out there who don't understand donks probably wonder, like, why would someone go through this headache, you know, of getting the car restored, man? Feel me? The donk game is serious to us, man. Very serious. Very serious. And on top of that, though, and on top of that, of it being serious, you know, you might not be able to find a clean car, so you gotta take what you can get sometimes. All right, fam, that was the work, you feel me, of them putting in the floors. It's not completely done yet, but it's getting there. Like he said, it could take like a week to 2 weeks. You feel me? That's that behind the scenes footage. Nobody, you feel me? People just see pretty cars and don't know what it takes to get there. You feel me? Also, you know, I know some of y'all like the behind the scenes footage and some of y'all just like the eye candy. Y'all just like what it look like afterwards. So we got some eye candy for you right here as well. We got this 75 right here. It's gonna be one of the wettest donks. Well, it's already wet. So it's, once it hit Polk County, gonna be like the wettest donk in Polk County. Y'all check this out and drop no comments and let me know what y'all think. Ooh, that thing glowing. That thing glowing. Crispy clean, crispy clean, crispy clean. Polk County, we got a problem. This car been painted already. Recently got painted. They done wet sanded Buffett over the weekend. This thing glowing, you hear me? Glow stick. Yes, sir. Look at that. Ain't nothing like candy in the sun. Ain't nothing like candy in the sun. Y'all drop the comment, let me know what y'all think, man. This is gonna be one of the wettest dunks to hit Polk County. Believe that. Believe that. And I don't know if the camera does it any justice, but in person, when this sun hitting this bit, oh my. Oh my. Shout out to the homie Paul. Paul, you're almost there. You're almost at the finish line. Oh, yes, sir. Where my 75 lovers at, man? This one for y'all.
This part ready to go to the parade, like you want to go ride. This part needs to locked down.
Y'all drop them comments, let me know what y'all think, man. This thing here move, yeah. Believe that. Believe that. But yeah, fam, y'all see what's going on, man. Them boys is putting in that work down south, man. Putting in that work. You feel me? Y'all drop them comments. We showed y'all that floor job, the continuation of the floor job. We showed y'all this eye candy right here, this 75. Y'all drop them comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. Until next time, keep it locked right here. Don't Planet Live behind the scenes. You hear me?